Welcome to Vikas Learning, where we are making learning new and different.
In this session, we are going to learn what is Medicare X modifiers.
Medicare introduced 4 new modifiers, known as the X modifiers: XE, XP, XS, XEU, to address several issues associated with the overuse and misuse of Modifier 59. Here are the main reasons for which X modifiers are introduced. Increased specificity. Modifier 59 was often used too broadly, leading to confusion and errors. The X modifiers provide more precise coding options, making it clearer why a service is distinct from others performed on the same day. Error reduction. By offering more specific modifiers, Medicare aims to reduce the number of coding errors. This helps in ensuring that claims are processed correctly and that services are accurately reimbursed. Improved claims processing. The specificity of the X modifiers helps streamline the claims process, making it easier for both providers and payers to understand the context of the services provided. Fraud, waste, and abuse prevention. The misuse of Modifier 59 often led to incorrect payments and potential fraud. The X modifiers help in reducing these risks by providing clearer guidelines for distinct services. Cost savings. By reducing errors and preventing fraud, the use of X modifiers helps in saving costs for Medicare and ensuring that funds are used appropriately. These changes aim to enhance the accuracy and efficiency of the billing process, ultimately benefiting both healthcare providers and patients. X modifiers are explained below with examples. XE, separate encounter, used when a service is distinct because it occurred during a separate encounter. Example: a patient visits the clinic in the morning for a routine checkup. Later the same day, the patient returns due to an acute issue such as severe abdominal pain. The second visit would be billed with the XE modifier to indicate it was a separate encounter. Der XAP, separate practitioner, used when a service is distinct because it was performed by a different practitioner. Example: during a hospital stay, a patient receives a consultation from a cardiologist in the morning. In the afternoon, the patient is seen by a neurologist for a different issue. The neurologist's service would be billed with the XP modifier to indicate it was performed by a different practitioner. XS, separate structure, used when a service is distinct because it was performed on a separate organ, structure. Example: a surgeon performs a procedure on a patient's left knee. Later, the same surgeon performs a different procedure on the patient's right knee. The second procedure would be billed with the XS modifier to indicate it was performed on a separate structure. XU, unusual, non-overlapping service, used when a service is distinct because it does not overlap the usual components of the main service. Example: a patient undergoes a diagnostic test that is typically part of a larger procedure. However, in this case, the test is performed independently due to specific clinical circumstances. The test would be billed with the XU modifier to indicate it does not overlap with the usual components of the main service. These modifiers help in accurately reporting and billing services that are distinct and separate from other services provided on the same day. Proper use of these modifiers ensures compliance with Medicare's coding and billing guidelines.
Thank you for watching.